In this video, we will show you how to make a simple pre-post chart. They're perfect for displaying contrasting categories across a number of periods. Firstly, go to the Automated Excel add-in and select the pre-post template. Then select the cell where you would like to generate the template. Specify the number of time periods to create. Specify the number of in-year elements to create, and specify the number of categories to create. Finally, update the template for the labels and data you require. The charts can either be populated directly or, as shown in this video, link to existing data. If you don't already have the Automated Excel Professional Version add-in, this is available on our website at automatedexcel.com or via the link in the description below. With the use of the Automated Excel Professional Version add-in, you can make your charts more efficient, consistent, and effective. For more templates and tips, please subscribe, check out our other videos, or go to our website, automatedexcel.com.